Hi YouTube family, welcome to Let's Get Luxe. If you've been following me on Instagram or YouTube, you know that Chanel is increasing their prices again in the near future. The first rumor was that it was going to happen on January 6th. The next rumor I heard was January 15th. As you can imagine, it's always been a dream of mine to buy new a Chanel classic flap, especially the medium size. And I feel like it's now or never because with these price increases, it's already too much for the bag. And if they do another price increase, I just don't know that I'm gonna buy new in store after this. So I'm on the hunt, but it's always more fun to shop with friends, and that's why I'm taking you with me. I already called the flagship store that's nearest me and they don't have what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go to a mall that has department stores that have a Chanel boutique inside the department stores. Now I'm looking for a neutral color in the medium classic flap, but I am open to other colors if I fall in love with something. So I made a point today to dress in very neutral colors. As you can see, I'm wearing a very neutral top. It's like a cream color top, and then I'm also wearing black pants and black boots. And that way I can just be a canvas for the bag no matter what its color. So let's go shopping and fingers crossed that we find what we're looking for. I'm going to show you some mod shots of what I found in Chanel and then give you some delicious eye candy while I fill you in on what to expect of Chanel's impending price increase. I tried on 4 bags during my visit to the boutique. The first bag I tried on was a striking medium classic flap in red lambskin leather with silver hardware. This bag was my favorite of any I tried on. The color was a true red and stunning in person. However, I forgot to mention in my intro that I'm looking for caviar leather because my house is a bit too chaotic right now to bring a lambskin Chanel bag into my life. The second bag I tried on was a medium classic flap in black lambskin leather with silver hardware. If this had been caviar leather, I would have bought it in a flash. This black lambskin bag is quintessential Chanel to me, and I was so close to getting it because it's so close to what I wanted. It was really hard to walk away. The second to last bag was the only medium classic flap they had in caviar leather, but I didn't even have them unwrap it because I knew the color, while beautiful, just wasn't quite for me. Now the bag that unexpectedly stole my heart was the small Chanel 19 in white goatskin leather. The leather felt like butter and it looked gorgeous in white. I see why the Chanel 19s are so popular. Photos of them just don't do them justice. Okay, on to the price increase news. Prices are rising on Friday, January 15th. The adjustments I summarized today are just rumors though, so I'll be doing a video after the price adjustment that gives confirmed post-increase prices. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted when that video goes up. Rumored to be included in this increase will be the Chanel classic flaps that will go up $300 to $400 depending on the bag size. Boy bags going up $200 to $400. The Coco handle going up $500. The wallet on chain going up a whopping $550. Some reissue bags going up $300 to $400. The Chanel 19, which I loved, going up $200 to $300. The price increase will also include fashion jewelry, I believe, and possibly other categories as well. I'm going to be tracking that, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that information. So why several Chanel price increases during COVID-19? Well, Chanel has price increases every year, actually, and sometimes they're big like this. I'll link a video I did on a previous Chanel price increase in the description box if you're curious. So, that's not new for Chanel. Also, COVID has had a negative impact on revenue for luxury brands, so they might be trying to make up for that. And lastly, the US was scheduled this month to implement a 25% tariff on certain luxury goods coming in from France, and I'm sure Chanel was bracing for that. That tariff has been put on hold, but not soon enough to save us from a price increase. So anyway, that's the Chanel price increase news. I'll see you in my next video where I'll break down exactly what happened to Chanel prices. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.